I'm ready.
I ain't never ready. I ain't never scared.
I ain't never scared.
What's the rest of it?
East side? West
No.
side?
I can't remember. I'll have to pull it up. She said I had to sit still.
Well, I would hope that you wouldn't be moving around. What? Okay, ready? Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Paige and this is my husband.
C to the B to the L.
Can you just say your name? My name is Paige and this is my husband,
Cody.
So today we have joined forces. Is that your stomach?
Wow, I hope y'all didn't hear that.
Today we have joined forces and we are going to predict the gender of this baby.
We're not predicting nothing. I already know what it is.
Tell us what you know that it is.
A little girl.
Are you just saying that because you're hoping, because Corey told you?
No.
So one of our friends told us that if we think and feel that it's one thing, it'll end up being the other thing. So it was like, if you want it to be one, you need to be saying it is the other one. So now I started saying it's a girl. You said it before I got pregnant, but when I actually got pregnant, he was like, oh, it's a boy. It's a boy. It's a boy. And I'm like, when did you ever say it was a boy? I've always thought that our firstborn was going to be a girl. And as soon as I got pregnant, I just felt like it was a girl. That's the first time y'all have actually heard me say what I thought it was. I have not publicly said what I thought it was.
What?
Because I feel like people will base their prediction off of what I thought. So I was trying to like not tell. Please be still. So I've thought since the very beginning that it was a girl. No symptoms at all before I made that decision. And then as the symptoms came, it just made me feel like it was more of a girl. So, I don't know. We're going to know. By the time you guys see this, you should be seeing the actual gender reveal party. Like in the next few vlogs or so.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
If I make it.
If you make it.
If I make it. If I make it.
If you don't make it, we's going to make it. It's fine.
We's going to make it.
So what we're going to do is, I've pulled up some and Cody's pulled up something on Pinterest. And I'm going to ask something. And he's going to ask something. Even though I already know the answer as I'm asking it, which he probably knows the answer too. But I'm going to put, hopefully, like some kind of scoreboard thing up here. I think that'd be cool. Somewhere up here maybe, or down, I don't know. It'll be somewhere on the screen. Trying to keep the tally of what the old wives' tale predictions are predicting that the baby is.
Do you have morning sickness? So, when this question is asked, is morning sickness in the morning? Or is morning sickness at any time of the day? I know morning sickness can be any time of the day. But when it comes to the old wives' tale, are they asking that in regards to it being in the morning?
It's just morning sickness. It's
okay, anyway, morning
nauseous,
sickness.
Yes.
Okay.
Which means...
Girl.
1 point. Alright, my heart rate, not my heart rate, the baby's heart rate.
Not hers.
My heart rate is probably high. It says, Old Wives' Tale says, that if the baby's heart rate is less than 140 beats per minute, it's a boy. And if it's more than 140 beats per minute, it's a girl. And both times that we got it checked, are you
like 170?
It was 162 at our first ultrasound. And then it was 165.
Yeah.
A few weeks later, 4 weeks later, when she did the Doppler thing. So it's been high both times, which means another 0.4 girl.
Dun dun dun.
Next.
Okay, what have your cravings been? Sweet, salty, or sour? Or a combination?
I feel like it's been all of them. I don't know what's been more, because I've had so many food aversions, it's kind of hard for me to...
What's them little strips you've been eating? They're sour,
They're
right?
like sweet and sour. They're candy. So
okay,
it's sugar and...
So the way this is broke up is sweet is a girl and salty and sour is a boy.
I eat it more so because it's sweet. But I eat a lot of pickles. I drink a lot of sweet tea. It's kind of like they're fighting against each other.
Okay, that one might not work.
So we'll give a point for both?
Sure.
Okay, now the boys has got 1 point. All right, next one. The Chinese gender predictor. We're gonna do that one.
Wait, that one was mine.
I've already done this, and it was a girl.
Yes.
So based on your age of conception and the months, it's a Really? It's a calendar, and it was a girl. So another point for girls.
Looking up for the girls. What side do you sleep on the most?
Probably my right, but I do roll a lot. But I feel like I fall asleep more on my right side.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm. Because my pregnancy pillow's over here, and I'd be cradling my pillow.
Okay. Right as a girl, left as a boy.
I mean, I do move a lot, so I don't know. I move a lot. All right, shape of my belly. It says if your belly is high and wide, it's a girl. If your belly is low and sticking straight out, it's a boy. So the other day I was walking and I told Cody to get behind me and tell me if I looked any wider. And he said no, I look the same. So, with that being said, boy.
You're hanging a little low there, sis. So am I.
Next.
What's your mood been like?
You tell us.
Oh no.
I don't feel like I've been like mean or like a big crybaby, but I will say that I have some moments in random days.
Would you say you've been more moody or more happy?
I don't know. Maybe moody, because I feel like I can literally go from like wanting to punch you in the throat to wanting to hug you in the same 5-minute span.
But majority, are you moody or happy?
Moody? You think I'm happy?
I think you're happy.
Okay.
You're happy?
It's a boy, ain't it?
Yep.
I thought I was moody. I got so mad the other day I went to crying. So
Moody's girl, happy's boy.
Okay, we'll give a point for the boys. Partner's weight gain. If your partner is gaining weight like you are, it's a girl. If there is no weight gain from him, it's a boy. Please, tell us all.
But now, my circumstances
What is your circumstance?
My circumstances
Listen,
here.
I am 2 pounds less than what I started. So I ain't gained. I did gain from when I got sick, but then I've lost some, so I'm still 2 pounds less than when I started, right before I got pregnant, or my first appointment when I was 5 weeks. So I'm 2 pounds less than that. You've gained. You have to be honest with us.
I've gained, but there's a good logical reason of why I've gained. I've been on night shift,
but baby,
6/12 for last
But you could have been eating chicken breast and asparagus.
But I weren't.
I know you weren't, so that was your own choice.
I was on night shift for 7 weeks straight, 6 days a week. I weren't going to the gym.
And he still ain't.
And I was sleeping all day.
Baby names. If it's easier to get a boy's name, it's a girl. If it's easier to get a girl's name, then it's a boy. Which we have 2 boy names and 1 girl name.
It's a girl.
So then, point for the girls. Then boy names came to us real easy. The girl's name was very hard because it had to go along with a middle name that we picked. That's a family name, so it made it harder for us to pick the girl. So, wait, girls get the point, right? Okay.
So the next one would be, have your hands been soft or dry?
Touch them. They're the same, I think.
Have you been putting lotion on?
No.
Is yours got soft or dry on yours?
I don't have that one.
Soft as a girl, dry as a boy. So what would you say your hands are?
Soft. Sorry. They're not dry. I've never had dry hands, but now my other skin, I mean, look at my feet. My feet are super dry. My belly's dry.
Can we go off the feet?
Shut up. All right, next one says, mother knows best. The mom-to-be usually knows what she is having. I said a girl. I already said it. So there's another point for the girl. It says if your legs are bigger than before, you're pregnant with a girl. If they're the same as before, it's a boy. I don't know. My mama said she thought I was carrying my baby weight in my butt. I've always carried the weight in my butt, so I don't know if that's a...
I don't think that's a logical explanation. Sorry, Mom.
My back hurts. Is that a gender predicting?
Is it?
At the back. At the bottom. If this, I'm gonna tell you one, I don't know if this is a gender predictor, but I cannot get my words right.
To me.
I asked Cody the other night if I could lay on his sunburn.
Yeah, what does that even mean?
I meant, can I lay on your sideburn?
Why do you want to lay on my sideburn?
I don't know why I was asking you that.
Eating bread. If you find that you are eating the ends of bread, it is more likely a boy. If, on the other hand, you are skipping the ends and eating the middle first, it is a girl.
Another point for the girls. We went to Waffle House today, and I literally ate all of the inside of the bread and threw the crust on the plate. I can't talk. The plate. If people around you are commenting on how you are glowing and your complexion is bright and clear as ever, no, people are telling me I'm glowing, but my complexion is not bright and clear as ever. No, my face is breakout seedy, especially down here on my neck. It's crater seedy. They're like really big, like under the skin ones down here. This is like hormonal, so this is all baby related. Anything here and like around the sides of your face. So no, which means it says if people are asking you if you're feeling okay or tired and you're breaking out, you might be having a girl. Another point for the girls.
The odds.
The odds.
The odds are forever in your favor.
Wait, 3.
Is it 3? Dang it. Dang it. Have the person who is pregnant grab a car key. If they grab the narrow part, key teeth of the key first, it is a girl. If they pick up the round, we might should have had you.
You might should have not told me what it was.
Well, that's what I'm. You want to just go grab a key?
I don't have a loose key.
I do. Somewhere.
You gonna hand it to me or?
I don't know. It just says have a person who is pregnant grab a car key. If they grab the narrow part of the key teeth of the key first, it is a girl. If they pick up the round part of the back of the key, it's a boy.
So boy? I mean, I kind of picked up the whole key.
You had more of your fingers on the round part.
Okay. Point for the boys! What key is that anyway? What's it for? Okay, some women are surprised to find a dark line appearing on their bump called the linea nigra. I hope I said that right. Rumor has it that if that line continues above your belly button and not just below, you're having a boy. If it stops at your belly button and does not continue above, you're having a girl. We're gonna look now.
I don't see anything.
You don't see any at
I don't
all.
know if we can go off of that.
So we'll skip that one. Cold feet. Are your feet feeling cold now that you're pregnant? If so, you might be expecting a boy. If your feet are as warm as ever, you might be carrying a girl. Touch my feet.
They're not cold.
Okay. Another point for the girls.
Yep. Dream of gender.
No.
If you dream that you're having a boy, it means it is a girl, and vice versa.
I haven't had. I literally had a dream that my mama came in the room to tell me that it was a boy and a girl. That I was having twins. So, in that case,
oh boy,
we're having a boy and a girl.
Oh
a girl
boy.
and a boy. Some pregnant women have the most beautiful hair. A lot of people attribute it to taking prenatal vitamins. But apparently there is an old wives' tale that can predict the gender of the baby according to your hair. If your hair becomes thick, full, and glossy, and you look like you stepped out of a Pantene Pro V commercial, you are carrying a boy. It is a lie. If your hair is dull, limp, and hasn't gotten any thicker, it's a girl. It's a girl. Because I have done nothing but complain about my hair for the last few weeks. It's dry. This part back here is breaking off. So I've been wearing it in a ponytail. I know it's in a ponytail right now, but I've been going to sleep without it in a ponytail. Even though I can't sleep without it up. But I've been doing that because it's broke off. And it's so dry, and I just washed it. It's not voluminous and luscious like a Pantene commercial. It's like a Brillo pad. One boob bigger than the other? It's common to have one breast bigger than the other. During pregnancy, it's also common for your breast to get bigger. And if you notice your right breast is bigger than the left, you might be having a son. And if your left is bigger than your right, it's a girl. I'm gonna let Cody answer it.
It's a girl.
It is noticeably different. So that's another point for the girl.
Like watermelon to cantaloupe.
Those can be the same size. Depends on where you go.
Yeah, if you're buying a miniature watermelon. Which we're not doing.
Oh gosh.
Okay. Show me your hands. Another point for the girl. So, if you ask the mom-to-be to let you see her hands, if she keeps her palms down, it's a girl. If she shows her palms facing up, it's a little boy. Have you noticed that your nose is looking bigger than usual, or has someone commented on your nose that it has made you feel conscious?
Self-conscious?
It just says conscious. Well, one of the old wives' tales is that your nose may look bigger when you're having a boy. But don't worry, after the pregnancy apparently... Wait a minute. But don't worry, after the pregnancy, apparently it goes back to the normal size. It hadn't got bigger.
No, it's the same. Even though my daddy was peeking at me the other day talking about, look, her nose is even bigger. And I'm like, Daddy, chill. Alright, to perform the ring test, you will need a strand of your own hair and a ring that you regularly wear, like your wedding ring. I wear it every day, all day, so we'll take that off. Tie your hair around your ring and lie down. Have someone dangle the ring over your baby bump and hold it still. If the ring starts to move in circles, you're having a girl. So if it swings like a pendulum, it's a boy.
And
circles a girl. Alright, let's do this.
Why are you moving your hand?
I'm not looking. My hand's shaking. What's it doing?
It's going in a circle.
Why are you so disappointed?
I don't sound disappointed. I'm just saying it's going in a circle.
So I don't know what the final score is.
Well, I think we do. I don't know what the final score is.
I mean, I don't know what the total was. I'm pretty sure girls won. I don't know the exact total, but I'm pretty sure the girls won. So we're just gonna have to wait and see. There are some of you that think it's a boy. There's some of you that really think it's a boy. So
why would you think it's a boy?
I don't know. Maybe they're just wanting a boy for me.
A boy for you? Why do they want a boy for you?
I guess to know I got girl dogs. I don't know. I can have fun with either one.
Yeah, this is gonna be tough.
What's gonna be tough? How's it gonna be tough?
Wozy.
Hello, Rosie. Hello, what you think it is, Rosie? So make sure to leave your gender predictions down below in the comments. Don't listen to what we thought it was. Go off of what you think it is. We hope you guys enjoyed this. We hope you have a wonderful day, and we hope to see you on the next one. Have a beautiful and blessed day, y'all. Bye. Bye. Why do you have plastic in your mouth? That's a wrap, Jack.